how to check and test speaker for fault on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on device care. After click on device care, scroll down and click on diagnostics and click on phone diagnostics. Scroll down, you will see speaker is here. Click on speaker. You will see speaker result is here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can check and test speaker for fault on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.